In October 2023, I cycled across Oman over 600 kilometers, getting to the highest peak, Jebel Shams. In this bonus video, I go through all the kit I took on the trip, but check out my main channel for the full video. Here's my obligatory kit setup. I've got my electronics, including charger, torch, and lights, passport money, some snacks, bags to decamp packaged foods to save space, a good old wet wipe shower, stereo pen. The water supply is pretty good here, but could be contaminated in the pipes. So to avoid one of the most common issues, can sterilize the water. Small wash kit as possible, small repair kit as possible, long sleeve, modest clothing to go with the 30-degree heat, as minimal as possible. 2 sets each, including UV buff, small towel. Got down puffer for the mountains, Thermarest down sleeping bag, backup food if I can't find anything nutritious in the mountains, spork, stove, waterproof for the rain, thunderstorms. I've got the larger tent here because I want it to freestand on the sand dunes, and then the 2 bags there. I've got a backup, which is this. I was gonna wear the Camelback on the back with an extra 1.5 litres, but I'm thinking with 3 litres on the bike, I can get away with having 2-litre bottle in one of my bags, and that will save the sweaty straps, but we'll see.